Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we'll analyze Theta in USDT as well as BTC pair. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. So we are looking at Theta daily chart, and this is a Theta daily USDT chart, and it's a nice looking chart. It's looking bullish again, and for me, the important price point for Theta, which it needs to reclaim, which it is looking like it's reclaiming. It's trading above right now. That is $8.5. The purple line that you see, this for me is a pivot point. It is a very important point, in my opinion, that if price is able to stay above 8.5 and trend above 8.5 and make 8.5 as a support, then I see Theta hitting at least these three targets in the near future. It can be few weeks or a few months. I don't know, have a time boundary to it, but these are the targets that are likely Theta can hit once 8.5 is consolidated as a very strong support. So if we see the recent price action, we see that it is trading above 8.5, and this is a good consolidation about 8.5 for a few days now, so almost a week. And this is a hence this is a plus point for Theta. For overall, if we observe this trend, then Theta has stayed bullish throughout this year. It's been pumping since last year, and it's one of the most strongest trending alts in this bull market. But this entire year, you see, it has been pumping hard. And for us, as you know, if you have seen my previous videos, I give a lot of importance to 21 exponential moving average. That is this green line that you see. So for me, anything about 21 exponential moving average or having support of 21 exponential moving average repeatedly is a bullish trending asset, in my opinion. And if you see this, then Theta for a most portion was trending about 21 exponential moving average. It did correct below. It again came back up. And this was the main correction, which was mainly due to the Bitcoin correction also. And even in this, if you see, then it retested the 200 moving average, which is this red line. And now it is again back about 21 exponential moving average. So this is showing a strength of Theta as an asset, and it is a strong trending asset right now. If $8.5 is broken, then $4 is the next major support for Theta. So if you see in this entire crash in the May last month, Theta did retest one. It was a spike that was at around $3.9, 3.8 to 3.9. So it was just a spike, and immediately there was a big bounce from this. And then you see Theta, even in this correction, except for the spikes, if you ignore this VIX, then the candles are all about 200 moving average, which is at around $6.3. So this is a good trending asset, a strong trending asset in my opinion, and hence this is a good place to buy. If $8.5 is maintained, then I think you can start dollar cost averaging in Theta if you're looking to buy. Guys, understand one thing in the market right now. Market still is uncertain. Bitcoin is looking very good. Bitcoin is recovering very well, and it has been trending between 30 to $42,000 since almost a month. If you go and check my 19th May live stream, you will see that I had clearly specifically said this, that the best case for Bitcoin would be to trend between 30 to $42,000, because otherwise it can correct even further. So Bitcoin needed a correction. A long time correction was on its way, and there are two kinds of corrections an asset can show. Either it can fall down or it can take time correction. So it can trend in a sideways moment for a few weeks or months. So now Bitcoin is showing definitely a good strength, and yet it is not out of the woods completely. So trading any altcoin, it also depends. You cannot just look at the alt chart. You see, there was nothing bearish in this chart. but even then it corrected, because Bitcoin corrected and the overall market corrected. So whenever you are trading alt, it is very important to see the Bitcoin chart also. So depending on the Bitcoin performance, if Bitcoin keeps continuing to perform upwards, then I can see even Theta doing well, because it is looking bullish. There is no doubt about it. There is nothing bearish about Theta right now. It is one of the most bullish looking charts in alts, I guess. So there is nothing bearish about Theta at all individually. And if Bitcoin can keep pumping up, then I expect Theta also to pump up. So then it is 8.5. The next immediate resistance would be at $13.36. So this is also a good, let's see. This is also good, almost 50% profit from 8.5. So not a bad profit in this certain market conditions. And $18 is the next resistance if 13.5 is broken. So, and ultimately I can see it hitting even 22.8. That is a new all-time high if we continue with the bull trend. So at least if not 22.8, I think $18 or even $13.36 is not an unreasonable ask for Theta if it continues to pump. So that is a 50, and this $18 is almost 120%, I guess. It is definitely about 100% profits if you enter at 18.5, 106%. So that's a good profit for an alt. And if you look at the BTC chart, then you can see that in the BTC pair, in fact, Theta has shown much better strength than in the USDT pair. Just look at this. In the BTC pair, it is just 1 week that has come to 200 moving average, or else it was trading almost above or within 21 moving average. This is an exponential moving average. So this is a bullish looking chart. It is sideways consolidation, and in fact Theta is way above its pivot point or an important bull point, in my opinion. We're looking at the daily chart, and in the Bitcoin pair, this 18,999 or 18,100 satoshis is a very important point. Until this is not broken, I can see Theta going higher. It already achieved its first target of 23,733 satoshis. So, and it is trading about 21 EMS. So if it continues, then 28,803, 34,325. These are not impossible targets for Theta, in my opinion. Again, this is not a financial advice, but if you look at the possibility from the current price, then it's 52% in the Bitcoin pair, and its support is at 20%. So, which is a strong support. You understand this. It is a strong consolidation since March in the Bitcoin pair. So even in the April correction, in the May correction, this acted as a good support. It did go below that, but it again came back above. So you can see that the bounce was good, and this is holding as support very well. So 20% down from here. That is also, this is a dip to buy if at all you get a dip. If not, it can keep trending sideways and eventually break above, considering that Bitcoin is also trending up. So it definitely depends on the Bitcoin and the overall market condition. But let's assume that if the market stays positive, then I can see at least 50% move from here in the Bitcoin pair. So a 1 Bitcoin can be converted into 1.5 Bitcoin. That is a possibility. And hence, this is a good bullish looking chart in my opinion. So guys, look it up for yourself. Theta looks good to me. I also want to thank all of you, and this Bitcoingem is a community and it is growing as a community. And I have a lot of dreams and ambitions. Once we develop a larger community, I want to do a lot of build a lot of things with this community. So I got a good unexpected surprise today. Lunar Crash is one of the leading social media trackers in the crypto space, and in the 3 months of this influence, what do we say, in a 3-month time span, so almost a quarter time span, Bitcoingem is in the top 10 influencers list in lunar crash. So thank you very much. This is all because of you. And keep supporting, guys, this channel. Do like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.